Hello, good afternoon. It's going to be in the island. Tropical storm is approaching northeast of Puerto Rico. It's going to start tomorrow 8 p.m. Midnight is affecting tomorrow with 4 to 6 inches of rain. The ocean is going to be very bad condition with 18 to 20 feet. It's very risky. For several days it's going to be this morning. Please be aware to the National Weather Services in Puerto Rico. It is going to stay away from rivers, oceans, and stay away from electrical powers that can affect the people, in just in case, because it's going to be windy. It's going to affect the nature and all the palms, trees, and the condition is not going to be good. So stay safe and visit